Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to show you how to shorten the width, which is the left to right dimension, on a Austral fold down clothesline. And this process is the same for the entire range of the Austral fold down clotheslines. So first of all, we get the front spreader bar. Now, depending on the width of your clothesline will depend how long and how many spreader bars you have or spreader bar components you have. In this case, we have 3. So for example, if we want to narrow the width of the clothesline down by 100 millimeters, we need to take 50 millimeters off each section of the spreader bar to ensure that the front joiner bar remains central. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So once I've measured the 50 millimeters, I'm going to get my hacksaw and just make a clean cut. And once we've done that, we do the same to the other side. We get a file and chamfer the edges to make them nice and smooth and so they won't cut anyone, and then go ahead and assemble the spreader bar. That's all that's required to reduce the width of an Austral fold down folding frame clothesline. So my name's Jason from the clotheslinestore.com.au. Thanks for watching and bye for now.